What's up, guys? You're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the PlayStation 4, uh, how to make a family management on your PlayStation 4. And here we go. And I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. We just go to settings, and here the parental controls, the family management, and here you just sign up now. And then here you have your friends and your other account, create a user, which one you want, you just simply select it and add it, and you just make a family management accounts. Here's the add in a family management. You can make a new ID, you can create a new user, and simply that's how you can do it. And here's the PlayStation for family management settings, restrictions, each and everything. So simply that's how you can make the family management on your PlayStation 4. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.